In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Hubspot. Whether you're looking to switch things up to your native tongue or just feel more comfortable working in a different language, I'll take you through the simple process to get your Hubspot account set up just the way you like it. You'll be happy to know it's quick and easy, and you can do it within a few steps in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll need to log into your Hubspot account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile picture there just hovering at the corner, a little gateway to your account settings. Go ahead and click on that profile picture. This will bring up a drop down menu with a variety of options related to your account configurations. Within this drop down, you'll see an option labeled Profile and Preferences. Click on it. It's your next stop in this little journey of customization. Selecting Profile and Preferences will transport you to a menu where you can tweak various aspects of your HubSpot experience. Now on the left sidebar, you'll be hunting for the section labeled General. Once you find it, go ahead and click it, which will then expand further options under the umbrella of General. Among these, you'll see an option for Language. This is where the magic happens as we move you towards changing HubSpot's language settings. It's a straightforward interface designed with simplicity in mind to ensure you can make these changes hassle-free. Now that you've navigated to the language section, you'll see a section labeled Preferred Language. There should be a drop-down menu right there. Click on this drop-down. You'll be presented with a list of language options available. Take your pick from the available languages by simply scrolling and selecting one that best suits your needs or preferences. Pretty easy, right? Once you've chosen your desired language, there's just one final step. Make sure to hit save to confirm your selection. This final action will apply the changes you've made, ensuring your new language preference is set and ready for you to interact with. It's crucial to remember this step, otherwise your changes won't take effect, and you'll have to start all over again. Saving locks it all in. And there you have it, a brand new language setting tailored to your preference. The adjustment will enhance your HubSpot experience, making it more intuitive and enjoyable, especially if the previous default language wasn't quite fitting for you. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide helps you get the most out of your HubSpot toolset. Drop a like if this was helpful, and feel free to share this video with others who might find it useful. See you in the next guide.